Te Manawataki o te Karakia. So the research tells us that when we recite things like pātere, there's about 200 syllables in a minute. Karakia tawhito is a little bit faster, where they reckon it's about 300 syllables within the minute. The Manawataki or the rhythm, okay, must be there. As I'm doing Karakia, in accordance with what I was taught in the whare makatea, under the tutelage of my uncle Pou Tēmara, he says, the rhythm has to sound nice to the atua's ears. Ka pai? Ka re tino whai take taku ki, mai ea te tupua, mai ea te tawhito, mai ea te kāhui o ngā riki, mai ea tāwhiwhi ki ngā atua. Okay, me whai manawataki. Has to have a rhythm. Ka pai? The vibration from my throat zigzags right through all the different heavenly realms to the particular atua that's been called upon. All right? So that's an example of how one might do a karakia.